Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Exam Insight. My name is ELSA, and I'm here to help improve your vocabulary. Many students have complained that vocabulary is a vast portion. इतने सारे words एक साथ हम याद नहीं रख पाते हैं. My recommendation to those students is that try learning at least 10 words per day and see how your vocab improves with time. मैं यहाँ पर ऐसे सेशंस लेकर आऊँगी vocabs का ही, जिसमें आपको कम से कम 10 वर्ड्स सीखने को मिलेंगे. कहने के लिए 10 वर्ड्स होंगे, लेकिन मेरा गारंटी है आपको कम से कम 20 वर्ड्स नए मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे. आज जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है, सिनोनिम्स एंड एंटोनिम्स लेकर आई हूँ, मतलब समानार्थी और विरोधार्थी. वर्ड्स विच हैव सिमिलर मीनिंग एंड अपोजिट मीनिंग्स. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज एब्सकॉन्ड. एब्सकॉन्ड का मतलब है चुपके से भाग जाना या फरार होना. मतलब टू डिपार्ट इन अ सीक्रेट मैनर, किसी को ना बताए निकल जाने को कहते हैं, चुपके से निकल जाने को कहते हैं एब्सकॉन्ड. लेट्स सी द सिनोनिम्स फॉर इट. एस्केप, फ्ली, बोल्ट, decamp, disappear, run away and skedaddle. I request you to note down the words which you get as new. It will be useful for your future. What can be the antonyms? Remain, appear, endure, stay, linger, dwell. Let me explain you my way of teaching first. I'll show you a word, then the synonyms, then antonyms. Then I'll show you a pictorial form of the word, because I myself have experienced that pictorial form is much easier to remember than the theoretical part. So I hope that helps you too. So let's see the pictorial form for this word. As you can see, this person is trying to run away from somewhere. So this is the actual meaning of abscond. This abscond word is usually used in legal matters, as in it is said that a person is absconding from the law. Means what? He is running away from the law. So this word is mostly used in legal terms, but the meaning stands the same wherever used. That is, trying to run away, whatever may be the reason, but he is trying to run away. चुपके से भाग जाने को कहते हैं abscond. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है accretion. accretion का सिंपल मतलब है पहले थोड़ा सा था, उसके बाद वो बढ़ के बड़ा हो गया है. उसके लिए सिंपल एग्जाम्पल क्या ले सकते हैं? लोहे पे जंग लगना. पहले तो वो थोड़ा सा होता है, फिर वो बढ़ के बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. सेम थिंग, accretion means also the same thing. Let's see the synonyms for it. Accumulation, augmentation, accrual, increment and addition. So if the synonyms are those, antonyms will be obviously reduction, depletion, diminution, abatement, decrement. Let me show you the pictorial form. As you can see, this was in a smaller proportion first, then it is getting enlarged. Same as the meaning for accretion. First it is in a smaller proportion, then it enlarges. Then it grows with time. So that's called accretion. Moving on to the next word, that is gibberish. Gibberish sounds similar to rubbish. Same thing, gibberish means written or spoken words which have no meaning, no sense. With an example you will understand better. Let's first see the synonyms. That is rubbish, nonsense, balderdash, drivel, babble, meaningless. This all means gibberish, rubbish, no sense. So the antonyms will obviously be what? Logical, sensible, meaningful, valid, worthwhile. Let me show you some words. These words are actually gibberish. That means it makes no sense. But let me tell you, this is written cookie. But what if I say this is written cookie in gibberish form? Tan Q, no meaning. But this is actually thank you. This is hin sto cram starry, no meaning. But what if I say this is Instagram story? High dance eek, hide and seek biscuit. Right? Next is I am issues home hutch. This is actually what? I miss you so much. You can try reading now. I'm issues home hutch. I miss you so much. It sounds familiar now. Next, me came house, Mickey Mouse. So here I wanted to show you what does gibberish actually mean. There's also a video now which will actually tell you what gibberish actually means. This is actual gibberish, at least to us. It may be meaningful in some other languages, but at least to us it is gibberish. So I hope you understood the meaning of the word gibberish. Moving on to the next word, that is bedlam. Bedlam means a state of complete confusion. जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा हो क्या चल रहा हो, वैसे स्टेट को क्या बोलते हैं, वैसे कंडीशन को क्या बोलते हैं? बेदलाम. Let's see the synonyms for it. Uproar, pandemonium, commotion, chaos, mayhem, turmoil, clamor. Here let me tell you, pandemonium is a word favorite to examiners because this word is often asked in exams. Pandemonium means confusion, a state of confusion. You can remember now. And let me tell you this word, how it is pronounced, because I've heard many people pronouncing it the wrong way, like chaos, chaos. These are all wrong, but the correct pronunciation is chaos, chaos. Now let's see the antonyms for it. That is calm, peace, harmony, quiet, silence. Let's see the pictorial form for it. Can you understand something from the picture? This is actually a state of confusion. We can't understand who is trying to play, what he is trying to do, what a player is trying to do. We are not getting to understand. So that state is called a complete confusion, bedlam. Moving on to the next word, that is gourmand. Gourmand means a person who tries to eat a lot, who likes to eat a lot. भुक्कड़ जो हम कहते हैं उनको ही गवर्नमेंट बोलते हैं. उनको कोई मतलब नहीं क्या है हमारे पास, क्या खाने को मिल रहा है, उनको सिर्फ खाने से मतलब है, जितना मिले वो खा लेंगे. ठीक है, वैसे इंसान को क्या कहते हैं? गवर्नमेंट. लेट्स सी द सिनोनिम्स फॉर इट. ग्लटन, ओवर ईटर, हॉग, ट्रेंचमैन एंड फूडी. Here also glutton is an examiner's favorite word. Glutton means person who tries to eat a lot, who likes to eat a lot. Foodie is an informal word. Many people flex themselves like I am a foodie. But foodie actually means a person who likes to eat a lot. Let's see the antonyms for it. That is a picky eater. Picky eater means who likes to pick and eat in a small amount. So that person would be antonym for it. Next is a word called gourmet, which actually students get confused between gourmand and gourmet. So I have brought in this word not to get confused but to differentiate, because gourmand and gourmet can be antonyms. Gourmand is a person who likes to eat a lot, but gourmet is a person who tries to observe the food. He doesn't likes to eat so much, but he likes to observe the food closely. So here I can say to remember, गौर को घूर लिख दिया और मेट को मीट लिख दिया. घूर के मीट को देखने वाला, मीट के इधर कोई भी खाना भी हो सकता है. घूर के मीट को देखने वाले को गौरमेट बोलते हैं. Right? Now you can differentiate between the two, and the synonyms for that is connoisseur and epicure. So let me show you the pictorial form. This person is a gourmand and not a gourmet, because this person is not trying to observe what she is eating, but she is interested only in eating. So this person would be called gourmand. Moving on to the next word, that is futile. Futile means incapable of producing any result. कुछ भी कर लो, end में result नहीं आना है, वैसे काम को बोलते हैं futile. With the example you will understand much better. Let's see the synonyms first. Unproductive, fruitless, vain, pointless, barren, idle, hollow. These all words mean futile, and obviously the antonyms would be now fruitful, useful, productive, effective, worthwhile. Let me show you a picture. Here you can understand this person is trying to do such a thing that is not going to fetch him any result at the end. Right? Now you understood the meaning of the word futile? I hope so, yes. Moving on to the next word, that is haughty. Haughty means arrogantly superior, who tries to show himself or herself as a superior person. Ghamandi ko kehte hai haughty. Right? Now you can understand. Let's see the synonyms for it. Proud, snobbish, disdainful, conceited, cavalier. Antonyms would be humble, modest, meek, timid, reticent. Can see how she's trying to be proud, how she's trying to show that she's superior to others, right? Moving on to the next word, that is hostile. Hostile means showing or feeling opposition to others' words, being unfriendly. मतलब दूसरों के डिसीजन को अपोज करना, विरुद्ध करना, वैसे इंसान को या वैसे सिचुएशन को बोलते हैं hostile. Let's see the synonyms for it. Antagonistic, belligerent, bitter, inimical, unfavorable. Here let me tell you, belligerent is a word favorite to examiners. Next is antonyms. Kind, friendly, amicable, hospitable, social, cordial. Hostile means a quality in a person who tries to distance himself from others. As in, you can see in this picture, this person is trying to be hostile. Others are enjoying or whatever may be, but it is showing a good environment. But this person is choosing to be hostile. Moving on to the next word, that is fragile. Fragile means easily broken or damaged. मतलब जो आसानी से टूटने वाला हो उसको कहते हैं fragile. Simple example can be glass. ग्लास को गिरते ही टूट जाते हैं तो उसको कहते हैं fragile. Let's see the synonyms for it. Breakable, brittle, delicate, frangible, frail, feeble. What could be the antonyms? Rigid, durable, strong, unbreakable, firm. You can see this video over here where it shows what is fragile. This is a glass particle. It is getting broken, so the things which can be broken easily is called fragile. Moving on to the next word, that is adamant. Adamant means a person not willing. It is also a quality, that is a person is not willing to change his or her decision. मतलब एक ही बात पर अड़े रहने को बोलते हैं adamant. अगर मैंने ये डिसीजन लिया है तो मैं यही करूँगी, दूसरों का नहीं सुनूंगी, तो ये है adamant. ठीक है, let's see the synonyms for it. Stubborn, unshakable, unwavering, determined, steadfast. Stubborn is used in a negative manner. Like if I say a person is stubborn, which means I am depicting that person in a negative manner. That person is not accepting my ideologies. He is sticking to his own ideologies. So stubborn is used in a negative form. Let's see the antonyms. Flexible, yielding, docile, compliant, and amenable. Let's see the picture for it. You can see this. Master is trying to pull this animal. This animal is adamant over here. He is not willing to listen to his master. He is trying to be adamant. So adamant simply means अपने बात पर अड़े रहना. Adamant, अड़े रहना. You can also correlate, right? So this brings us to the end of the session. मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना आपको ये सेशन कैसा लगा. कितने वर्ड्स आपको सीखने मिले ये भी मुझे बता देना। नेक्स्ट मैं लेकर आऊँगी कुछ नया टॉपिक वोकैबुलरी सेक्शन में से ही। तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर।